Hello my pretty people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be very chill, super chill, where I'm going to tell you about my personal favorite books from the book talk. So let me tell you, I started reading from the book talk only because वो one liners मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा attract करते थे, and I have been reading since lockdown. But when I first got into reading, I had no one to tell me कि कौन सी book मैं पहले पढूँ, कौन सी book मैं बाद में पढूँ, so I explored it myself. But I'm here to help you guys. If you are someone who is going to start reading या फिर who just doesn't has anything to read right now, I'll tell you some of the books which are my personal favorite and they are very popular on the book talk as well. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the first book is The Love Hypothesis, and this is something जो मुझे personally बहुत पसंद है. I have started my reading journey with this book, so I recommend everyone to start their reading journey with this book. चाहे वो मेरे friends हो, मुझसे कोई भी पूछता है, मैं सबसे पहले उन्हें यही वाली book recommend करती हूँ. And the tropes of this book are, it's an academic romance, fake date, of course it's a rom-com. इसमें जो हमारे पास main character होती है, her name is Olive and she is a STEM student जो पढ़ाई कर रही है. She is a PhD student and in this book she is so fucking relatable and she is so embarrassing. Like इस book को पढ़ते हुए मुझे Olive के लिए इतना second hand embarrassment हुआ है. If you are reading this book, you are going to laugh your asses off because it's really that fun. बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. And the main lead, let's not even talk about him. Adam, you can sit on my lap. Carlson. He is so hot. He is her professor, and the trope is just somehow Olive has started fake dating Adam, her professor, and उनकी love story, how they go on. It's very funny. It's very cute. It's very wholesome. And this book says, you can come to me when you're sad, when you're scared, when you're having a bad day. I'll still like you. Like, oh my God, stop. So the next book is The Spanish Love Deception. Now this book is the slowest of slow burn that I have ever read. Like इससे ज़्यादा slow burn मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ा अभी तक. This book is again, the trope is fake dating and one bed trope. इसमें भी हमारे पास दो main character हैं, the female protagonist Lena and the male protagonist Aaron, and they have the relationship of boss and employee. And somehow Lena wants a fake boyfriend for attending her sister's wedding, and Aaron himself volunteers. ये बुक भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा फन है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्लो है. इट विल फील बोरिंग इन द बिगनिंग क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्लो है, बट वंस देयर बैंटर स्टार्ट एंड वंस दे स्टार्ट टू गेट टुगेदर, इट विल बी वर्थ इट. इट्स अ वेरी होलसम बुक एंड दिस बुक सेज, I'd rather have you hate me and be okay than not have you at all. Sir, okay, my God. And if we are talking about this book, then how can we not talk about this book, The American Roommate Experiment? So let me tell you, this book is a sequel to this book. Spanish Love Deception में जो हमारे पास main female protagonist है, her name is Lena, and this book is about her best friend whose name is Rosie and her cousin whose name is Lucas. So the female protagonist in this book, that is Rosie, she is a very, उसकी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो चुकी है. Her life is shattered. उसका writing career काम नहीं कर रहा है. She is a writer and she has no motivation and inspiration left for writing her next book. And उसका घर भी पूरी तरह shattered हो चुका है. The ceiling of her house has been broken. So she asks her best friend, that is Lena, that can she live in her house? And Lena says yes because Lena is not in her house. But Rosie doesn't know that Lena's cousin Lucas is also staying at her home. So basically Lucas and Rosie end up staying in one home. And Lucas himself volunteered to go on 3 fake dates with Rosie so that she gets an inspiration for writing her next book or writing the scenes of her book, which is a romance book. तो because उसके पास कोई inspiration नहीं थी, so he himself volunteered कि हम 3 fake dates करते हैं. You will get the inspiration, you will get the idea what you have to write in your next book. That is so wholesome. Lucas is such a golden retriever guy. The ideal man, I could say. Lucas says to Rosie, you are my favorite story. And for some reason, this line from this book has stayed in my mind since forever. क्योंकि मैं ये line भूल ही नहीं पाती. That is so sweet. Lucas is so sweet. Everything is so sweet. Now, before we move further into this video, there's one thing that I want to clarify. ठीक है? Let me justify myself. So there's this very famous reader who is Colin Hoover, and she is very famous on Book Talk. Her almost every other of her book is very famous on Book Talk, but she is not very, let's say, educate. Her writing style is very weird. वो बहुत weird चीज़ें लिख देती है कभी कभी अपनी book में, and her books are really very predictable. It has the same trope in each book where the female lead is very weak, the male lead is very strong, the male lead comes and protects the female lead, and then they have their happily ever after wala thing. So it's very basic, very predictable. But there are some of her books that I die defending because I like them so much. And no matter how shitty the author is, these books are actually really good. And I am going to recommend it to you guys. It's up to you if you want to read it or not after knowing the tropes. अगर आपको tropes पसंद नहीं आते, don't read it. If you like them, read it. I would highly recommend them. So now All You're Perfect is a contemporary romance. It's the after marriage wala thing, and this book will break your heart in the softest way possible. This book is not your typical romance book जहाँ पे the girl and the guy meets, they love each other, and then they marry, and then they have their happily ever after. No, it is about what happens after the happily ever after. So in this book we have the main two protagonists, Quinn and Graham. They are already married. 7 years into their marriage, they are facing lot of problems like infertility, और उसकी वजह से उनके relationship में बहुत stress आ रहा है, उनको बहुत ही ज़्यादा mental stress हो रहा है, and how they cope up with that. The best part about this book is कि ये book has 2 timelines, past and present. So how they met, how they fell in love, how they were so happy, and now the present, which is very painful. Their love has become painful. They're crying. They're having a lot of issues in their relationship, and that is when you break. Because पहले वाला time इतना ज़्यादा beautiful था, इतना ज़्यादा peaceful था, and अब वाला इतना ज़्यादा painful है. It will actually make you question if happily ever after do exist or not. This book says, if you only shine light on your flaws, all your perfects will dim. And also, you say love is unconditional, but you make me feel like it's not. So that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys want me to make a part 2 of this, or maybe एक ऐसी video जहाँ पर I would be discussing about the book series that I personally love. Because मैंने जब start किया था book पढ़ना तो मैं हमेशा book standalones पढ़ती थी, but अब I am more into the book series because it takes you to that fictional world. So let me know if you guys want me कि मैं एक ऐसी video बनाऊँ जहाँ पर I would be discussing about the book series, या फिर जहाँ पे I would be discussing about the Wattpad recommendations. तब तक के लिए stay cute, stay chaotic. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.